All right, Kristen, tell us more about how things are playing out inside the West Wing.
Well, Steph, we were all bracing for a tweet storm from the president, and guess what? We got one. President Trump up and tweeting today on defense. Let me read you the key parts of these tweets, Steph, because they underscore the point that you are making, which is that President Trump is arguing this is all the work of his former attorney, has nothing to do with him. In his first tweet, he says, "I never directed Michael Cohen to break the law. He was a lawyer, and he is supposed to know the law. It is called advice of counsel, and a lawyer has great liability if a mistake is made. That is why they get paid. Despite that, many campaign finance lawyers have strongly stated that I did nothing wrong with respect to campaign finance laws, if they even apply, because this was not campaign finance. Cohen was guilty on many charges unrelated to me, but he pled 2 campaign charges which were not criminal and which he probably was not guilty even on a civil basis." He ends by saying, "As a lawyer, Michael has great liability to me." By the way, Steph, sounds like those tweets may have had some legal help themselves. They are very carefully written, that's for sure. But this comes as we have been reporting, Steph, that despite the president saying publicly he's not concerned about impeachment, he's telling some friends and his allies that he is in fact concerned about it, in part because he's seen some establishment Republicans start to get a little shaky. Think about what Marco Rubio said over the weekend when he said that, look, no one is above the law. So that has the president and his allies concerned. And add to that, this is from our reporting, Steph, the president has yet to acquire a team to combat the expected influx of congressional investigations and continued fallout from multiple federal investigations of his associates. He has been calling around to his friends outside the White House and allies on Capitol Hill to vent and to get the input. On Wednesday, the president wasn't in the Oval Office until noon, Steph. So there is a clear sense that the president is getting increasingly concerned about these investigations, which continue to swirl around him. We did reach out to the White House about all of this, and they declined to comment overnight, Steph.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.